Now clean the chicken. Chicken is clean. For seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, paprika, done nicely. So after marinate the chicken, I'm gonna butterfly it, wrap in the bacon. Bacon is ready. Gonna put in the pot. Olive oil, inside sliced onions, garlic, butter, tarragon, some plain flour, stock water, cream, salt and black pepper. Let's strain the sauce. This is my sauce ready. Take it out. Chicken to the pan inside the oven. Let's slice the chicken, the mashed potato, broccoli, chicken, tarragon oil, and we're gonna this crispy potato. This is our Mother Day special.